Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright, so we're still here inside the Vista Verde, Cainta. Okay. So yung mga hindi familiar, malapit po ito. May access kasi dalawa yung gate. Actually, apat. So, may access kayo going to Marcos Highway. Meron ding Felix Avenue. Right. So yun, good for one parking. Good for one car yung ating parking space. Then, ito yung ating living area. By the way, the lot area is 90 square meter. Yung floor area natin is around 160 square meter, if I'm not mistaken. Okay? Yung price, okay, syempre tatanong yung price. This is 9 million pesos po. Okay? 9 million pesos. So yan, may mga accent light na. Ganda ng wall, ha? Tali. Then syempre, dito yung ating magiging dining area. May access dun sa ating tawag dito, aerial. Right? Then itong maliit na pinto na to is good for storage. Okay? Storage room. So ito yung ating aerial. Then, ito yung ating kitchen area. May pull-outs na rin yan. Ayan. Meron tayong bedroom dito sa ground floor. Okay. So, yan. Naka-cove ceiling na rin pala to. Galing, ha? Right. So, ito yung space. Dito sa yung bedroom natin sa ground floor. So, kung may senior kayo, pwede rin po ito. Kasi tignan nyo, connected siya dito sa ating toilet and bath. Okay? So, yan yung common toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. Right? Malaki to. O, diba? Yan. Then, paglabas mo dito, ito yung service area naman. Okay? Connected naman sa ating kitchen area. Right? So, ito, tingin ko pangan lang. Yan. Kahit polycarbonate lang po yan. Para at least may liwanag pa rin. Yan. Ito, connected siya sa ating kitchen area. Right? Tara, akit tayo na second floor. Again, isang look pa din sa ating ground floor. So, ito, dito yung magiging dining area, ha? Yan. Then, ayun yung ating living area. Na naka-cove ceiling din, of course. Tara, akit tayo ng second floor. Alam nyo kung ano gusto ko dito? Lahat ng bedrooms may kanya-kanyang toilet and bath. Yan. So dito muna tayo. So ito yung first bedroom. Yan. Naka-cove ceiling na rin lahat yan. So ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Malaki, di ba? Second bedroom natin. Ito yung space. Okay. Then, meron ding private bathroom. Okay, diba? May mga privacy, diba? Ganda na ganito. Nagagandaan ako dito. So, ito yung ating master's bedroom. Okay. Pakita ko muna yung space, ha? Yan. Punta ko din sa kabila. Then, ito yung kanyang built-in cabinet. Malaki yan. Okay. Ito yung ceiling natin. Actually, pare-parehas na naman yung ceiling. Siyempre, mas malaki lang yung space nito sa ceiling. Ito yung kanyang master's toilet and bath. Okay. One more look dito sa ating master's bedroom. Nakita ko lang yung space. Yan. Yan, mas ma-appreciate nyo nandito dito ako nakapwesto. Okay. Then, meron tayong mini balcony. Ayan. Ayan na naman. Alright, so again, location natin, Vista Verde, Cainta. Okay, may access going to Marcos Highway, going to Felix Avenue. Yan. Tapos, ang lot area 90 square meter, then yung floor area 160 square meter. Price natin 9 million po. Okay? 9 million pesos. Cash or bank financing, pwede naman. Yan. Yung mga gusto magpa-assess, magpa-pre-qualify, yan, message nyo lang po ako if interested. Okay? Again, my name is Vin from Mencia Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.